Italian cream cake is a delicious and decadent dessert that's perfect for any special occasion. The combination of rich flavors, creamy frosting, and a hint of coconut and pecans makes it an irresistible treat. This southern classic boasts a moist, tender crumb and indulgent sweetness that makes each bite pure bliss. Here's how to make the best Italian cream cake, including all of the necessary ingredients and detailed instructions. Ingredients: 1 cup, 2 sticks, unsalted butter, softened 2 cups granulated sugar, 5 large eggs, separated 1 cup buttermilk, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 cup shredded sweetened coconut, 1 cup chopped pecans. For the frosting, 1/2 cup, 1 stick, unsalted butter, softened 8-ounce cream cheese, softened 4 cups powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour 3 9-inch round cake pans. Use parchment paper circles in the bottom of the pans for easy removal to ensure that the cakes don't stick. 2. In a large mixing bowl, beat the butter with the granulated sugar until creamy and light in color. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes using an electric mixer. Creaming the butter and sugar properly is crucial for a light and fluffy cake texture and helps incorporate air, which is needed for the cake's structure. 3. Add the egg yolks one at a time to the butter mixture, mixing well after each addition to ensure a smooth and homogeneous mixture. Each yolk should be fully incorporated before adding the next. This ensures an even texture. 4. Stir in the buttermilk and vanilla extract until combined. The acidity of the buttermilk reacts with baking soda to help the cake rise better, providing a tender crumb and subtle tang to balance the sweetness. 5. In a separate bowl, sift together the flour, baking soda, and salt. Sifting helps remove any lumps and ensures even distribution of baking soda and salt. This step is important for even baking and avoiding pockets of unincorporated dry ingredients in the cake. 6. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just blended to avoid overmixing. Overmixing can result in a denser cake. Overmixing can cause the gluten in the flour to develop excessively, compromising the cake's lightness. 7. Fold in the coconut and chopped pecans, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the batter. These ingredients add texture and a delightful flavor to the cake, contributing nutty notes and a chewy bite from the coconut. 8. In another bowl, beat the egg whites until stiff peaks form. This is a key technique to lighten the batter and create a soft, airy texture. Gently fold the beaten egg whites into the cake batter until fully incorporated, maintaining the loftiness needed for a fluffy cake. 9. Divide the batter evenly among the prepared cake pans, using a spatula to smooth the tops and ensure even baking. This prevents uneven surfaces and ensures uniform layer thickness. 10. Bake in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cakes comes out clean. This ensures the cakes have cooked evenly and are appropriately set. 11. Remove the cakes from the oven and cool in pans for 10 minutes to allow them to set slightly. Then, turn the cakes out onto wire racks to cool completely for best texture and easier frosting.